Hello, sixth graders. Happy Wednesday, March 8th, 2023. Your learning target today says, I will use my outline to create a final draft. And your success criteria is that you finish your storyboard and get at least halfway done with your final myth project. So you've already done your independent reading, and I'm sure you're all being awesome to the sub, making them happy that they were the sub in my class today. So right now we're on number 3, going over the directions for the day. Number 4 is working on your myth project. And number 5, if you get done early, you can A, do another myth Pixton. B, if you did a modern or nature myth, you could turn it into a Pixton. C, you can read, or D, you can work on any missing homework. Okay, so just to recap for the day, remember yesterday you filled out a storyboard for the myth that you're doing your project on. Some of you finished that, some of you did not. So your first job is to make sure you finish the storyboard. Remember, some of you kept them in your binders or put them in your notebooks, and many of you kept them in the turn-in drawer over by where you keep your notebooks. So please finish the storyboard first. And then once you're done with the storyboard, you can go to Google Classroom or go to Pixton. If you're doing a comic, you're going to take your storyboard, and in Google Classroom, you're going to be in the stream part of Google Classroom and scroll down until you find the blue icon that says Pixton, which is right here. You'll click on that to get into our classroom, and there you'll create your Pixton. Mine looks different than yours, but you'll figure it out using your storyboard. Okay? Most of you are doing a Pixton. Some of you are doing a modern myth or a nature myth. So if that's you, you'll go to classwork and you'll find the mythology portion of classwork. It says modern or nature myth. You'll click on that, open up the doc, and this is where you'll type you'll put modern myth if you're doing modern myth, or nature myth if you're doing a nature myth. Okay? So you'll first do your storyboard. After you're done with that, you'll either create a Pixton or you'll type in your modern myth or your nature myth in the document. Let me think if there's anything else. Remember, guys, we just have Wednesday and Thursday to complete this. I'll be grading them on Friday, and they're going to be worth 3 grades. You're going to get a grade for organization, a grade for using language, and a grade for producing text. So this is a big assignment. Also remember, I'm going to be giving you a 3rd quarter homework grade. So if you do finish early, make sure you're doing any missing homework. And then just a final little note, remember, we like to keep our subs happy. So anybody who does a good job today and doesn't get their name written down for anything that was other than what we expect will be getting a treat tomorrow. And those of you who do get your name written down, which I'm sure none of you will, those people will be getting a call home. So just be on your best behavior, just be chill, do your work, and make this a great day for everybody. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.